apparent fight or struggle in the house at some point. Got the cause of death. If there are other injuries that again looked like there was a scuffle. We do know that Mr. Byrer was there. I do find it, of course, I understand how a witness, just like the one young lady thinking maybe it's 9 or 9:30, witnesses sometimes, particularly 4 years. But of course, he made a statement early on. If you were there at 11:30 and you found somebody passed out, you're trying to, then it's 40, even at that rate, it's 40 minutes before the 911 call is made.
Hour and 9 minutes.
11:30, yeah. 11:30, 12:30, 1 o'clock, yeah. That doesn't really make sense. The fact that Mr. Byrer didn't have any injuries of his own, that doesn't make a lot of sense either if there was a big struggle between them. On the other hand, his conduct afterwards does not appear to be, if somebody that's highly upset, it's not somebody, of course, first-degree murder is not charged. It's not somebody, he did not try to escape, he did not try to run, he was trying to get the ambulance there. So the state probably charged the highest charge they could charge, because there certainly would not be shown here any premeditation, there'd be nothing to show any kind of premeditation in this, cold-bloodedness. Everybody was probably drinking, we know that everybody's probably taking drugs, the tox on the victim shows that he was. And I'd be somewhat shocked if at 11:30 that night Mr. Byrer hadn't been imbibing in some fashion as well. A couple of other things don't make sense though either. I mean, if I get there, within the time frame, why are there, in that same time frame, there's a number of calls to Ms. Johnson on Mr. Byer's phone, then there are some calls from the victim's phone, who supposedly was already on the floor. And according to Mr. Byrer, thought he was passed out. Now, does all of this, are there questions here? Yeah. There was the fact that other people could have come in and out and so forth and so on. But that's not the standard I'm called to utilize today. I don't know whether it's probable cause for second degree or probable cause for manslaughter, but it's probable cause for something. So, Mr. Byrer, if you would stand, please. I'll let the matter be bound over. You were already on bond. You'll be on the same bond, same conditions of bond.